I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must begin now. Sign into your Samsung account and open SmartThings because pairing depends on account device registry. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location services are on. SmartTag uses BLE and location for initial discovery. Remove the SmartTag battery tab or press the button to wake it, then hold it close to your phone. You're starting discovery immediately. This saves time and prevents missed advertising packets. If the app asks for permissions, grant them so the device can be added securely to your account. You'll now complete pairing within SmartThings. Tap Add Device and select Samsung SmartTag so the app scans for its BLE advertisement. When the tag appears, tap it. SmartThings will verify and show a pairing prompt. Confirm the displayed name or code to prevent pairing the wrong tag. Make sure you allow location and notification permissions because those let the tag report position and trigger alerts. Once connected, assign a room or a name to help you find it later, and enable any owner or sharing options if needed. Finish by testing the ring and location features so you confirm the tag is responsive and updating. If the tag does not connect, try simple fixes. Restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth and location, force close and reopen SmartThings, then wake the tag and retry pairing. These steps fix most transient BLE issues. If problems persist, perform a SmartTag factory reset by pressing and holding the button for 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. Remember, resetting erases prior links, so only reset when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.